Good morning, student. Today we are start new lesson, chapter number 2, name, relation and function. This lesson is also important to 12th standard because related to this topic also present in 12th standard. So now first of all discuss the definition of Cartesian product. So what is the meaning of Cartesian product? So first of all, here we can consider two non-empty set P and Q. First of all, what is the meaning of non-empty? Non-empty, that means in set P and set Q, at least one or more than one element present in this set. Now, after the Cartesian product P, Cartesian product Q. This symbol is called the Cartesian product symbol. This is not a multiplicative symbol. Here P and Q are present in form of set form. So here this is not a multiplication of P multiply Q. This symbol is called Cartesian product. So P Cartesian product of Q is a set of all order pair. Now what is the meaning of order pair? Order pair, that means we can represent it like in small bracket and represent it in this way. So now element from P and Q. So P Cartesian product Q is equal to set of order pair P comma Q. Now here first position we can consider P and second position here we can consider in form of Q. Now the value of small p present in capital P and the value of small q present in capital Q. Now we can take one example. Suppose P is equal to 2 element is present in this set and set Q is equal to 3 elements present in this set. Now after find out Cartesian product of P, Cartesian product of Q. So how can we find out? So first of all we can return here one set. Now after first position is here P and second position is Q. So first of all here we can return 1 comma 2 Cartesian product, second position is Q is present, so return here A comma B comma C. Now after order pair written in, how can we return? So order pair written in like this form. Now here first position we can consider the element of P and second position we can consider the element of Q. So here we can return 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C. Same way after 2, second element is here 2 is present, so 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C, set over. So our final answer P Cartesian product Q is equal to, we get this element. Okay. Now after discuss some example. So our first example. Example number 1. Example number 1. Our question is, if x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1, and our question is find out the values of of x and y. So here in left side 2 order pair is present, right side also 2 order pair is present. In left side suppose 3 order pair is present and right side 2 order pair is present. So we cannot compare of this stuff. But here in both the side equal order pair is present, so we can compare of this term. and simplify this result, so we get the final answer. So first of all, x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 compare with 3, and same way y minus 2 is equal to, we can return 1. Now plus 1 written in opposite side, so x is equal to 3 minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 3 minus 1 means 2. Same way minus 2 written in opposite side, so y is equal to 1 plus 2. So therefore y is equal to 3. So our final answer, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Now same type of question present in exercise 2.1. So now discuss exercise 2.1, question number 1. If in bracket x upon 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3, then find the value of small x and y. Find the value of x and y. Now after compare of both these terms, so therefore x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3, and second term compare with second. Okay, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now plus 1 written in opposite side, so therefore x upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1. Now here we can take LCM. X upon 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 3. Now take LCM and after cancel out this term. So therefore x is equal to 5 minus 3, that means 2. Same way here minus 2 by 3 written in opposite side, so y is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 by 3. So y is equal to 3 LCM 3 by 3, that means here we get the value of y is equal to 1. So here question is present in both the side, order pair is present and the position of order pair is equal. So in this situation we can compare of first term with first term and second term with second term. Now after calculate this term, simplify this equation, so we get the value of x and y for answer. Now example number 2. If P is equal to set of A comma B comma C and Q is equal to set of R, from the set P and Q comma P. So from the set P Cartesian product of Q and Q Cartesian product of, are these two products equal? Question mark. Okay, so here first of all two set is present, set P and set Q. Now in set P here three element is present, A, B and C, and in set Q only Okay, example number 2, in set of P, 3 element is present, A, B, C and Q's, only one element is present. Now our question is, find out P Cartesian product Q and Q Cartesian product P. So first of all, first find out P Cartesian product Q. P Cartesian product Q, that means here we can written A comma B comma C Cartesian product Q, that means set of R. So is equal to set of A comma R, B comma R, C comma R, set over. Right? Here first element A and here first only one element R. So we can return in order pair. Now remember, in outside compulsory return set. Now all these order pair written in like this form. Here we cannot change the position of this bracket, and after in both these element here we can return comma. So remember, now after Q Cartesian product P. So first position is here Q and second position is P. So first of all written here set of R Cartesian product of P, that means A comma B comma C. So is equal to set of R comma A, R comma B and R comma C, set over. Now see here, in case of P Cartesian product Q, here we get A comma R, and here Q Cartesian product A, here first position R and second position, here first position A and second position. So here both these positions are different, so we cannot say that P Cartesian product Q not equal to Q Cartesian product P. That means are these two products are equal, so here both these products are not equal. So remember, P Cartesian product Q and Q Cartesian product P always not equal. Suppose A and B two sets is present, and find out A Cartesian product B. So first position we can compulsory return in the element of set A, and after return the element of set B, we cannot return first element of B and after return element of B. Okay, so here P Cartesian Q and Q Cartesian P both are different things, so they are not equal to each other. Now after discuss example number 3. So in example number 3, 3 sets is present. Let first set A is equal to, here element is present 1, 2, 3. In set B, 2 element is present 3, 4, and set C is equal to set of 4, 5, 6. 3 element is present. Our first question, find the A Cartesian product of B intersection C. So how can we solve? So here first A is present, so here we can return element of set A, that means 1, 2, 3. Cartesian. B intersection C. B intersection C, that means which element common in B and C? So 4 is common, so here we can return set of 4. Now after apply Cartesian product of these terms, so is equal to, how can we return? So here we can return 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, bracket over. Right? So our A Cartesian product B intersection C is equal to, we get this. Now second question. A Cartesian product of B union C. So again here A, in place of returns element of set A, that means 1, 2, 3, Cartesian product B union C. B union C, that means here all the element of set B, and all the element of set C. So here we can return 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here 3 element is present, here total 4 element is present. So here we can return first of all first order pair 1, 3, second order pair 1, 4, third order pair 1, 5, 1, 6. Now after 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Same way here 3 multiplying this order pair. So here we can return 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Clear? Now one more condition is present here. Third condition, A Cartesian product of B intersection A Cartesian product of C. So first of all, find out A Cartesian product of B. So A Cartesian product of B, A in place of written the element of set A Cartesian, B in place of written element of set B. Okay. Now after here we can written order pair of both these set. So here 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, same way 3, 3, 3, set 4. Sorry. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 element and here 2 element is present. So here we get 6 order pair. Okay. Now after find out A Cartesian product of C. A Cartesian product of C, that means here we can return all the element of set A and after return here all the element of set C. So here 1, 2, 3 Cartesian product C, that means 4, 5, 6. Here 3 element is present, here also 3 element is present. So here we get 9 order pair. So set of 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now after 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. And after 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, set 4. Now our question is A Cartesian product B intersection A Cartesian product C. So here which element, which order pair common in both these set? So this term is our answer. So first of all 1, 4 common. Now after another one 2, 4 is common here and 3, 4 is common, right? So here 3 element common in both these set. So here we can return is equal to set of 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. That clear?